So these are my 18 by 9.5 front, 18 by 10.5 rear, offset 22 all around ESRs. I'm gonna take off the ESM 007s and throw these on. Probably gonna need new tires for at least the rear. Well, I'm gonna need new tires for the rear, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna need new tires for the front. Maybe if I have to stretch them a little more, then I will, but hopefully not. Oh yeah, and of course I'm gonna paint these gold as well. I'm actually gonna try to plasti dip these and see if I can get a better chrome gold effect than the 007s, but yeah, let's see how that works. You can see how big the rears are, like, look at that. And it has, I think, about like a 3.5 inch lip, maybe 4 inches, which is a good look. Granted, I'd rather it be like a 3-4 inch lip with a concave center, but I mean, I can't complain. I can't complain at all. So I put one wheel on. All right, now to lower it slowly. Wow. Jesus, that is some good fitment. I'm gonna have to clearly trim this piece right here, and maybe, well, I have the camber arm, so that's definitely going to be put on as well, and that should be perfect. And you can see the clear size difference between the two wheels as well. Like, my old ones which have a lot of stretch, and this one which doesn't. This one has a real meaty fitment, but that's not my style. So I'm gonna stretch the hell out of these. Most likely 215, 35, 18 on a 10.5 wide tire. Yes, I'm gonna stretch that. As you can see, I trimmed the bumper. I'm gonna file this down so it's a little bit more smooth and whatnot. But yeah, time to do the fronts. Got the fronts on. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need spacers for these. Probably like some 10mm or so, but yeah, and I'm gonna have to like angle out the over fenders, probably another 10mm as well. If I could get the jack down. There we go. Sheesh. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need to do something about this. Or maybe even just go back down to 17s in the front after I get rid of these wheels, but we'll see. Here's the walk around. All of the tires need to go down to a 215/35, and I actually noticed that my old wheels were 9 in the front and not 9.5. So, because yeah, I thought I was about to switch the front to the same spec, but these are 18 by 9.5 and my other ones were 17 by 9. So yeah, I need to get like some 12 mil spacers for the front and then the stretch tires, and then I should be all set for the front. The rear, I'm probably gonna use the 5 mil spacers that are in the front and throw them on the rear, and then drop the car about an inch and a half, and it's all gonna be perfect. And then, you know, I gotta stroke the engine, do the thermostat, do my spark plugs, and do my radiator and electric fan and all that stuff. But as the car sits, oh man, I can't wait. I'm so close to phase 2. And then phase 3 is gonna be turbo.